Okay guys, I'm walking the streets now of Prince Albert, the Western Cape, South Africa. And I just left my home. I'm going to a friend of mine. He's invited to for lunch. And I just approached the older shop here in South Africa in Prince Albert. And I thought I'm gonna put something on YouTube for a change, because I haven't put something on YouTube lately. That's the old diesel pump where they used to pump diesel. As you can see there, I don't know what is that. If someone can tell me in the comments what is that. That 199681. I think it's how many liters went through this pump. I think so. And this, I don't know what is this. This, I think is a press. I don't know. And yeah, and for my Filipino friends, this, you know what is this? It's an old water pump. For my Filipino friends. And this is an old street light. This is an old street light, this. See, there's the older shop. You see? Beaufort West via Sekogat. So, and that also, that one is Calvinia. Oh, it's a lovely day here in South Africa, in Prince Albert. Now I'm gonna go up towards this. I love Prince Albert. This place, it used to be someone I know. This guy passed away a long time ago, and this guy who worked here before has worked on cars. He was actually a mechanic. So there's the old garage you can see. So yeah, I used to come here a lot. Me and my dad used to come here a lot. So yeah, like I like I normally say, all good things come to an end, huh? So yeah. And this is now, you see these flowers here. These flowers here is very common this time of the year. These flowers. The flowers. The name of the flowers is a butterblommetje. In English is it a butterflower. I'm gonna go up here now and show you guys a little bit around. I hope you're gonna enjoy the video. And you see, here's more of this butterblommetjies. And tomorrow is Monday. Tomorrow is back to work again. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it because I've got a vehicle that I must take out the gearbox, and yeah, it's a lovely day here in Prince Albert. It's a lovely day. I just want to, if you can see the view there. It's lovely to stay here in Prince Albert. I can't tell you guys how happy am I to live here in South Africa. And all people are friendly here. All people. I'm a little bit tired now. I think I'm unfit. But yeah, I'm walking here now in Clip Street, and so yeah, if I go home later, then I will make another video for you guys. So by the way, this is how I look. Hi. And yeah, it's so lovely here. I couldn't actually wait for this day. It's a nice day to walk around town, see things, and yeah, it's just lovely. The day turned out magnificent. And so yeah, if you like, you can like the video. If you like, you can comment. And yeah, I'm going to my friend. My friend's name is Barry Grindiferrest. I'm going to my friend now. So yeah. I'm going to him now. Actually, guys, if you come and visit South Africa one day, please make sure you visit Prince Albert in the Western Cape. And if you come here, give me a shout, then I will show you around. No problem. This place is so lovely. This place is so lovely. You know, I live here now since we moved here 1992. We moved to Prince Albert. And I don't have a problem with Prince Albert. I don't have the problem with the people. Oh, everybody is so friendly. Phew. So yeah, it's quite nice, this place, and especially this time of the year. Where all the flowers come out and the birds are singing, and especially on Sundays also. Sundays afternoon, the town is so quiet and relaxing. I can't describe you. How is it? I can't describe you how is it to live here. And to know the people. You must know the people. Yeah, it's so very nice here. Hello, hello. So, yeah, I'm almost by my friend. And wait, it's so nice here. Okay, I'm gonna sign off now, and I hope you enjoyed the video so far. There's more content to come if I can find some. But guys, take care, stay safe, and what I said is if you come to South Africa, make sure you visit Prince Albert in the Western Cape in South Africa. And if you are here, give me a shout and I will show you around. Okay guys, take care and God bless you all, huh? Cheers for now. You see, here's my friend lives. I'm gonna go in now. Cheerio.